Hey guys, welcome back to this video. Today we are looking at something called postgres.new. It is nothing but an in-browser Postgres with an AI interface. So typically in any Postgres database, you have to come up with you basically come up with a schema, and then you drag and drop your CSV data. Then you can basically create indexes on it, query it, write SQL queries. You do all of it. But what if AI enables you to do it? So AI gives you the SQL query for what data you're trying to extract, and also you can generate some visualizations just by natural language like text. So that's what this helps us to do. And let's look at some examples here. So I will try to do that here. I already have one data set. So you just need to log in with your your GitHub, which I've already done. So if you have GitHub, just to avoid spam, they mandate that you should log in with your GitHub account. And once you log in, it should remember the session until you clear your cookies. So I have also gone to Kaggle and I've looked at some data sets here. Okay, so this data sets talks about some Olympics database here, right? So let's look at any Olympics database. So I'll take the Beijing Olympics, or let's take any Olympics of your choice. Yeah, the latest one is the Beijing Olympics. So let's take it. And okay, so let me extract this to, yeah, here are all the data sets. So let me extract it to something called Olympics, right? OLY. Let me extract this to something called Olympics. Okay, so I should have all the data here. So let me go into here and go into my desktop, and let's look at OLY, right? Okay, so these are all my Olympics data sets. So let me go into each one of them. So let me start from, let's take the Paris Olympics first. Okay, I got the Paris Olympics database. Can we add all other Olympics data CSVs and name of the CSV like Paris should be saved with the year. So yeah, okay, so it's asking me to upload it. So let me upload, I think we should have Beijing here. Okay, so I updated the Beijing Olympics, and once this is done, yeah, let me move on to next one. After Beijing, I think let me go into the Tokyo Olympics. Okay, and okay, and after this, 2020, did we have one in 2018? I think we had one in 2016, I guess. Okay, so let me go with the Rio one. Okay, so I've updated all the 4 ones. So show me the top 5 medal winner trends of countries in all 4 Olympics. So it is going to generate the data here. So as you can see, most of this is visualized with all the fields. So you know how many gold have won, how many they have won. Okay, so it gave me the data, and okay, so can we plot a trend with location and year on x-axis and number of gold in y-axis, number of gold, silver and bronze on y-axis. So I'm just trying to do a plot here. You should see a plot being generated. Okay, so basically it showed how many medals we won here for each Olympics. So I would basically say, can we have a stacked bar chart with country wide split just for top 5? Okay, let's see if we can get this. So whatever it gave, it has everything here. I don't want everything. I just need to know like what happened for each one of them. So that's the data I need. So I'm asking it to regenerate it. Okay, so we know how many gold USA won, how many bronze China won, and how many bronze USA won. And you basically know for country how many they won basically, and who is the top performer in all the 3 Olympics. And okay, and after this, can you share the plot for gold medal trend for USA and China? So I just need the data for USA and China in each Olympics. So I've asked it. Let's see if it can plot this data for us. And if you can click on this, you can save the image or you can use it everywhere. So basically, you know how many gold USA won here, and you also know how many gold China won, and similarly in Tokyo. So you can see that. Has India won any gold in last 4 Olympics? So let's see if we can see if India has won any gold. I think they won or not. I'm not very sure. So I'm just asking this data. Okay. Can you do a plot? So we'll get that data. Okay, so in Tokyo they had won a gold medal and nothing in rest of the other Olympics, right? So that's basically what this is doing. And similarly, can you share which games did America get medals from in SQL query? Let's see if we can get this data. I don't think that data is available. Okay, so and similarly you can also basically get help creating an index here. So you can get some suggestions too when you create an index, and I'll just show you this. Like if you click on this, okay, so you basically know why you need an index, what this is used for, everything. And similarly, I probably need gold. I can create an index of gold. Okay, query patterns, index, and index overhead. So all of this you can get it. And the best part about this is absolutely free, and you can create as many databases as you want. You don't end up paying anything for it. And can we create an index for all with gold for all Olympics? So let's see if we can see that. Okay, so there is one with Olympic medals and has all the data about it here. Cool. And the one more thing I wanted to ask here for this is, can we create a vector for USA for USA and China for all the Olympics? Let's see if we can do that. So there is something called PG vector, which I'll cover it in detail in the next video. So I just wanted to show you can also get vector embeddings here. Okay, can we generate PG vector for each Olympics? So yeah, this is basically what PG vector is. So if you are looking at experimenting of any of your Gen AI use cases, this is a good playground to do it before you can actually deploy it in production. And as you can see, you can go into any of the specific this ones, Kaggle, get any data set you want, and you can take a look. Okay, so we generated embeddings here, and similarly that's what I meant here. So you can see the embeddings for each one of them, and that's basically what I wanted to show you here. And if you want, we will cover in the next example how to use this PG embeddings in your different workloads. So this was a brief intro to how to do it, and it also helps you to do some migration and other stuff what all you're trying to do. So it's definitely a good use case for you to test out some workloads before actually doing stuff in the production. This will give you some good experimentation use cases for what you are doing. And if you're not very proficient in writing SQL queries or doing pandas, seaborn, and all the visualization stuff, this might be a useful tool for you. So that's all I wanted to cover. I hope this helps. Thank you for